Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can use voice changer on Discord. So it's very easy and simple. First up, you need to go to your Google and then you need to type in clownfish. This is the easiest method, so you just need to go ahead and download clownfish. So I already have it installed, but you just gotta press on download and it'll start downloading, and then you gotta press install. Now you need to open clownfish, and right over here you'll see set as voice changer option. You just gotta press on that and then you'll see this option right over here. Now what you have to do is just open up your Discord and just make sure that your voice changer and your microphone are the same. So if the voice changer is on the microphone that you've connected, you just gotta go to your user settings, and then you gotta find your voice and video, and right over here you gotta make sure that your input device is the same microphone as your clownfish voice changer. And then you just go after that, you can directly use any kind of voice. So let's say you want to use helium pitch, you can use helium pitch and then talk in that. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.